In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do free meeting scheduler in HubSpot. First, open your HubSpot account and head to Settings. In the left sidebar, find the Calendar section under your user preferences. Here, click Connect your calendar. For this walkthrough, I'm choosing Google Gmail. Connecting your calendar is important because it lets HubSpot check when you're busy, automatically place meetings on your calendar, prevent double bookings, and send proper invitations to attendees. It's the backbone that makes scheduling reliable and hands-off. Next, click Accept and connect to Google. When prompted, select the Google account you want to use. Continue through the prompts and review the permissions. In this example, we select All so HubSpot can read availability and create events. You can always adjust permissions later in your Google account if needed. After continuing, you'll see confirmation that your Google Calendar is successfully connected to HubSpot. Now let's build your scheduling page. Go to Sales in the main navigation and open Meetings. Click Create Scheduling Page. For this example, choose Group. A group scheduling page pools availability across selected teammates so prospects can book a time that works for everyone. Give your scheduling page an internal name. This label is just for your team, so make it clear and searchable. Then enter the event title. This is what your invitees will see on the calendar event, so keep it concise and descriptive. Add the location next. This could be a video link, a physical address, or a note such as video link to follow. Consistency here helps guests know what to expect. Click Next. On the team member screen, choose who should be included on this group link. HubSpot will check each selected person's calendar to find slots that work. When you're done, click Next again. On the availability page, set your availability window. Define the days and hours you want to offer and make sure they reflect your working hours and time zone. If your team spans regions, align the window so it's reasonable for everyone. Consider leaving gaps around key meetings or focus blocks to avoid back-to-back fatigue. When everything looks good, click Create Scheduling Page. That's it. Your group scheduling link is ready to share with prospects and customers. Bookings will automatically appear on your connected Google Calendar, and invitees will receive calendar invitations with the event details you entered. If you ever need to adjust names, location, or availability, return to Meetings and edit the scheduling page. Your link will stay the same. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.